Ready to access your JCPS, Jefferson County Public Schools, employee account and stay connected with your educational community? Discover an easy-to-follow guide on how to log in to JCPS via chischools.us and access important resources. Whether you're a teacher, staff member, or administrator, JCPS has you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.jefferson.kyschools.us into the address bar to access the website. Follow these steps on the open website. First, click on the Employees button from the top menu. Then select Logins and click on Employee Portal from the options that appear. You've reached the login panel. Enter your email address, phone number, or Skype address here and click on Next. In the final step, write your password and click on the Sign In button. If you don't remember your password, click here to reset it. Don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment with your feedback, and subscribing for more informative tutorials like this one. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing valuable content. Questions or need further assistance? Drop us a comment below and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Login Page as your trusted resource for all things JCPS Employee Login.